You've probably seen these viral fruit character videos all over YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Banana heads, mango girls, full-on animated love stories. They're racking up millions of views on every post and earning significant income through the YouTube Partner Program and TikTok Creator Rewards. But here's the crazy part. Most people have no idea how these videos are actually made. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral fruit head animations using free AI tools, even if you're a beginner. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. The first step to creating viral fruit head videos is generating your characters. Go over to ChatGPT, click on GPTs, then select Explore GPTs, and in the search bar type Fruit Avatar Generator. Click on the result and hit Start Chat. This will open the AI character creation interface. Once you're in, click Start, and you'll be asked to describe the type of fruit character you want. For example, you can type banana. Within seconds, the AI will generate detailed fruit head character image prompt for the fruit you inputted, including different prompt suggestions of other fruits you can use. Now, to turn that into an actual image, you have two options. You can either copy the prompt and paste it into any AI image generator, or simply ask the AI to generate the image directly for you. After you hit enter, the AI will create your fruit head character in just a few seconds. Once it's ready, download the image to your device. The next step is creating high-quality image prompts for your video scenes. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. Go ahead and open the doc, then copy the full prompt template. Next, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. At this point, ChatGPT will ask you to upload your reference images. These are the fruit head characters you generated earlier, and also describe the story or scenario for your video. Once you provide that, hit enter again. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for each scene, along with video prompts you can use to animate your characters later. Now that you've created your image prompts, the next step is generating your images. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and click on Create with Flow. Then log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, select New Project to open the AI image generation interface. Before generating your images, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, portrait mode. This is extremely important if you want your videos to perform well on Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Next, choose the number of image variations you want to generate. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Then go back to Flow AI. First upload the images of your characters. This ensures they stay consistent across all generated images. After that, paste in your prompt. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will create high-quality, visually striking images based on your prompt. Take your time to review each result and pick the one that looks the most eye-catching and expressive. Download your selected image to your device. Now repeat this same process to generate the rest of your scenes. Now the next step is turning your images into video clips. Head back over to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section, then upload your first image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt that matches that exact image. This is important because it ensures your animation looks consistent and professional. Now return to Flow AI and paste the prompt directly into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Within moments, the AI will transform your static image into a cinematic, high-quality animated video clip, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. After the rendering is complete, preview your result.
Please don't be weird, man.
Too late! I already like you!
You'll notice the smooth motion, detailed animation, and eye-catching visuals that make these clips perform well. Go ahead and download the video to your device. Then repeat this same process for the rest of your images to create all your video scenes. Now the final step is turning all your clips into a complete viral YouTube short. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Then import all the video clips you generated earlier. Next, make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16 so your video is fully optimized for YouTube Shorts. If your clips have any watermarks, simply click on the clip and adjust or stretch it slightly until the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this for all your clips. Now let's make your video more engaging by adding smooth transitions. Click on Transitions, browse through the options, and choose a style that fits your video. Then select Apply to All, so the transitions are added between every clip automatically. This helps create a clean, seamless flow that keeps viewers watching. Once you're done editing, click on Export. For the best quality, set your resolution to 4K before downloading your final video. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Please don't be weird, man.
Too late! I already like you! And then he slipped on the peel.
Oh my gosh, I spilled it everywhere. Can I say something cheesy?
This better be good.
You're my main squeeze.
You are absolutely stunning, Mango Girl. All right, everyone, ready? Let's get goofy! Woohoo, yeah!
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comment section.